Hi, Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Person's Chiropractor, and today we are going to be talking about standing posture and why it's important. So having proper posture when you stand can prevent injury, make you feel less tense, have less aches and pains, make you feel more confident, make you feel more focused, and actually you look more approachable and attractive when you have good posture. So those are just some of the benefits. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look from the side view at what good posture should look like and give you a couple of pointers of things to pay attention to when you're evaluating that posture. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn sideways and kind of talk you guys through it. So the first thing is I want my hips or my feet hip width apart. And then we want the feet going straight ahead, so those toes should be pointing forward. We don't want them pointing out or pointing in or any other direction. We should have a slight bend in our knees. We should have a neutral pelvis, so we want that pelvis stacked, so the hips stacked over the knees, and then the knees are over the ankles. So we have a nice base here. Then we can bring our shoulders back and down, and then we can slightly bring our head back. And those are the things that we're really wanting to see. We want the head to be over the shoulders to be over the pelvis or hips, the hips to be over the knees, and the knees to be over the ankles. And this creates ideal posture, doesn't create any stress on any particular area of the body, and lets some muscles and joints get a much needed break. So hopefully you found that helpful. Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Person's Chiropractor.